Literary terms. Allegory. Allegory is defined as a story, picture, or other piece of art that uses symbols to convey a hidden or ulterior meaning, typically a moral or political one. Allegory is symbolic fictional narrative encompassing fable, parable, apologue, conveys a meaning not explicitly set forth in the narrative. In allegory, events, actions, characters, settings, or objects represents symbolize specific abstraction or ideas. It is narrative poem. Allegory is a narrative poem or prose which carries a second meaning beneath the immediate surface description, or an extended narrative which carries a second meaning along with its surface story. The most common or familiar examples of allegory are fables. Allegory is like an extended metaphor. Example: The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan. The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan is an allegory. Religious allegory. Animal Farm by George Orwell. Animal Farm by George Orwell, a famous political allegory. Allegory by famous political allegory. The Fairy Queen by Edmund Spenser, political and moral allegory. The Fairy Queen by Edmund Spenser, political and moral allegory. Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll is an allegory. Anecdote. The brief narration of a single event or incident. The brief narration of a single event or incident is called anecdote. Autobiography. Autobiography is self-written life story. Autobiography. In autobiography, the author writes about his own life and achievement. Autobiography. The earliest known autobiography written in English is the Book of Margery Kemp. The Book of Margery Kemp is the earliest known autobiography. The earliest autobiography in English is the Book of Margery Kemp. The Book of Margery Kemp, written in 1438. Example: Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. Autobiography. The Story of My Experiences with Truth, Mahatma Gandhi. Dramas with Dreams from My Father by Barack Obama. Dreams from Father Barack Obama. Wings of Fire. Autobiography, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Ballad. The word ballad has been derived from the French word baller, meaning to dance. French word baller meaning to dance. The word ballad has been derived from the French word baller meaning to dance. A ballad is a narrative poem with a story, usually simple and varying in size. A story in verse. It deals with some patriotic or romantic theme. It is associated with folk tradition. Ballad is associated with folk tradition. Ballad was originally written to be sung for the bards or wandering singers who used to sing while wandering from village to village for earning their livelihood. It is narrative song. Ballad is a narrative song with recurrent refrain. Traditionally, ballad has a 4-line stanza or quatrain. The rhyme scheme is either ABCB or ABAB. Ballad. Examples: La Ballade des Saints Merci by John Keats is an ballad. The Ancient Mariner by S.T. Coleridge. The Ancient Mariner by S.T. Coleridge is a ballad. The Ancient Mariner is a ballad by S.T. Coleridge. The Ballad of the Red Earl by Rudyard Kipling. The Ballad of Red Earl by Rudyard Kipling is a ballad. The Ballad of the Red Earl by Rudyard Kipling. The Ballad of Reading Gaol by Oscar Wilde. The Ballad of Reading Gaol. The Ballad of Reading Gaol by Oscar Wilde. The Ballad of Reading Gaol by Oscar Wilde. Ballad of Reading Gaol by Oscar Wilde. The Ballad of the Red Earl by Rudyard Kipling. Ancient Mariner Ballad by S.T. Coleridge. The Ballad of Father Gilligan by poem by William Butler Yeats, W. Yeats. The Ballad of Father Gilligan. The Ballad of Father Gilligan by W. Yeats. The Ballad of Father Gilligan by W. Yeats. Annabel Lee Ballad. Annabel Lee जो Ballad है, Annabel Lee क्या Ballad है, जॉन किसके द्वारा, एडगर एलन पोए के द्वारा लिखी गई। एनाबेल ली किसके द्वारा, एडगर एलन पोए के द्वारा लिखी गई है। बेलेड एडगर एलन पोए की बेलेड है। एलन पोए की बेलेड है। एडगर एलन पोए की बेलेड है। एनाबेल ली किसकी है, एडगर एलन पोए की। बायोग्राफी। ड्राइडन इज द फर्स्ट टू यूज द टर्म बायोग्राफी इन 1683. Dryden defines biography as the history of particular man's life. A biography is a man's non-fictional written account of one person's life authored by another person. A biography includes all pertinent details from the subject's life, but typically arranged in a chronological order. A biography presents the external and the inner life of person and narrates his development. Example: James Boswell's Life of Johnson is one of the most celebrated works of biography. जेम्स बॉसवेल्स लाइफ ऑफ जॉनसन. जेम्स बॉसवेल ने लिखी थी लाइफ ऑफ जॉनसन लिखी थी जेम्स बॉसवेल ने. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सेलिब्रेटेड वर्क्स ऑफ बायोग्राफी. ब्लैंक वर्स इज अनराइम्ड वर्स यूजुअली इन iambic pentameter. Blank verse is poetry written with regular metrical but unrhymed lines, almost always in iambic pentameter. Blank verse was introduced in England by Henry Howard, the Earl of Surrey, and about 1540. Difference between blank verse and free verse. Free verse refers to an open form of poetry that has no rhyme, no rhythm. The main difference between blank verse and free verse is that the free verse is not written in consistent meter patterns, rhyme, or any other musical patterns, whereas blank verse is written in regular metrical patterns but unrhymed. Burlesque is a style in literature and drama that mocks or imitates a subject by representing it in an ironic or ludicrous way, resulting in comedy. Burlesque is a form of literary genre satire. The term burlesque originates from the Italian burla and later burlesco, meaning ridicule, mockery, or joke. Burlesque creates humor by ridiculing or mimicking serious works, genres, objects, and authors one of two ways: either by presenting significant subject in absurd or parody way, or by presenting insignificant subjects in a sophisticated way. The humor often arises from the incongruity between the imitation and the work being imitated. As a literary and dramatic device, the term burlesque is often used interchangeably with parody, though a parody is actually a type of burlesque. It is a theatrical entertainment of broad and earthy humor. It consists of comic skills and short turns. Example: Beggar's Opera by John Gay. Beggar's Opera by John Gay is a burlesque. Biggest opera by John Gay is a burlesque. The Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope is a burlesque. The Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope is a burlesque. Hudibras by Samuel Butler. Hudibras by Samuel Butler is a Hudibras by Samuel Butler is a burlesque. Cadence is the rising and falling rhythm that occurs when reading a piece of literature. Cadence is a rhythm in poetry and prose produced by stressed and unstressed verse. Cadence. Caesura is a pause normally signaled by a strong synthetic break underscored by punctuation, such as comma, semicolon, colon, or period that occurs somewhere other than the end of the line, most often in the middle. Caesura is a break or pause, usually for some sense in the middle of verse line. 4 and 20 blackbirds or baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Carol. A joyous song celebrated the birth of Christ is known as carol. Catharsis. Catharsis is a Greek word meaning cleansing in literature. Catharsis is used for the cleansing of emotion of the character, the purgation of emotion of pity and fear aroused by the action of the tragic hero is known as catharsis. A catharsis is an emotional discharge through which one can achieve a state of moral or spiritual renewal or achieve a state of liberation from anxiety and stress. Originally, the term catharsis was used as a metaphor in poetics by Aristotle. To explain the impact of tragedy on the audience, he believed that catharsis was the ultimate end of a tragic artistic work. Collegiate drama is a play that is not intended to be performed on stage, but read by solitary reader or sometimes out loud in a small group. Example: Samson Agonistus क्या है? क्लोजेट ड्रामा है, किसका है? जॉन मिल्टन का क्लोजेट ड्रामा है सैमसन एगोनिस्टस क्लोजेट ड्रामा जॉन मिल्टन का. द डायनेस्ट्स बाई थॉमस हार्डी. डायनेस्ट जो है वो भी जॉन थॉमस हार्डी का जो डायनेस्ट, तो ये भी क्लोजेट ड्रामा है. ओथो द ग्रेट ये भी क्लोजेट ड्रामा. ओथो द ग्रेट ये भी किड्स का है. कॉमेडी इज a drama of light and humorous characters with a happy or cheerful ending. A dramatic work in which the central motive is the triumph over adverse circumstances, resulting in successful or happy conclusion. Comedy is a type of dramatic work that is amusing and light in its tone but thought-provoking. Comedy is amusing and entertaining work of writing that is written for the purpose of evoking positive reaction from the audience. Comedy is an imitation of man worse than the average. According to Aristotle, comedy is an imitation of Characters of a lover type. Type of comedy: romantic comedy. Romantic comedy involves love between people, foliage and misunderstanding of young lovers that results in a happy ending. While they may still endure struggles, the couple ultimately achieves a position conclusion. Example: Midnight's Night, Midsummer's Night's Dream, Twelfth Night, and As You Like It by Shakespeare are comedy. Romantic comedy. Comedy of manners. This type of comedy is satirical in nature. Comedy of manners is satirical in nature and makes fun of sophisticated society in comedy of manners. In English literature, the term comedy of manners describes a genre of realistic satirical comedy of the Restoration period that conscious comments upon the manners and social convention of greatly sophisticated artificial society. Example of comedy of manners: The Way of the World by William Congreve. The Way of the World by William Congreve is a comedy of manners. The Country Wife by My Wife, The Country Wife by William Wycherley is a comedy of manners. She Stoops to Conquer by Oliver Goldsmith. She Stoops to Conquer by Oliver Goldsmith is a comedy of manners. Sentimental comedy. Sentimental comedy is an 18th century dramatic genre that came up as a reaction to the immoral tone of English Restoration plays. Sentimental comedy was a reaction to the comedy of manners, which was supposed to create laughter or at least amusement, often using satire as a meaning to its end. Examples: The Conscious Lovers by Richard Steele is sentimental comedy. The School for Lovers by William Whitehead is a sentimental comedy. Tragic comedy. A tragic comedy utilizes elements from both comedies and tragedies. These plays often begin tragically and end happily. Example: The Merchant of Venice by here is a tragic comedy. The Caretaker by Harold Pinter. The Caretaker by Harold Pinter is a tragic comedy. Farce is a comedy that seeks to entertain the audience through situations that are highly exaggerated, extravagant, ridiculous, absurd, and improbable. Slapstick humor and physical comedy are also common features of slapstick humor and physical comedy are also common features of a farce. The basic purpose of a farcical comedy is to evoke laughter. Confessional poetry, an autobiographical poetic genre in which the poet discusses instantly personal subject matter with unusual frankness. Kamala Das is one of the greatest Indian confessional poets. Drama, a composition in verse of presenting a story, fictional, non-fictional event through dialogues and performance. The complete story is communicated with through assumed character. The actors play the role of character. The person who writes drama is known as dramatist or playwright. Elements of drama: plot, characters, thought, direction, music, and spectacles. Parts of drama: exposition, ये होता है exposition मतलब introduction, rising action के बाद में climax, climax में falling action के बाद में catastrophe. Exposition, rising action, climax, falling action और catastrophe. Characteristic of drama.